indicator of learning. We need to be 21st century teachers that focus on our students' development with their higher order thinking skills, effective communication, collaboration, and other skills that they need in the 21st century. So, for us as teacher, we must develop new strategies that are radically different. Okay? So, with the session, by the end of the session, you are expected to classify discipline, specific competencies according to 4 domains of 21st century skills. Okay, so design, assessment, technical assistance, instructional supervision, strategies regarding the integration of 21st century skills. And for the last, we appreciate the needs to recognize and determine. Okay, using this code, I'll be showing you the set of pictures or application. Okay, set of pictures or application.
Pag-aasalit ka lang dito.
Okay, so we have 31 responses. Okay, so you can use that and adapt that use in your school,
Especially in the classroom setup, we are increasing in the future, and the answers are prompt. We don't need to check the paper, so we can actually see the answers real time. As long as we have internet connectivity and the gadgets available sa mga internet
within each domain. So, mahalaga po talaga together, no, with the foundation literacy and numeracy, with all those disciplines, specific skills, competencies, with the 21st century skills, are expected to be learned, no, by our learners throughout their education. Okay?
Sana sa district teachers.
So, these are the current curriculum na po na contest na po. Okay, so we have from ilang subject po ito? 2, 4, 6, 7. Okay, so isa na po. Lolo po ang ating. Okay, so meron tayong mother tongue natin. Filipino, English, Mathematics, Araling Panlipunan, Mape, Edukasyon sa Pagpapakatao. Ngayon po, 5 na lang yan. Okay po? So yun, sa elementary na po ito. Okay po? Nawala na si Mother Tongue. Okay po? Saka yung Mape.